This is Josh from Whiteley Robot Club, and I've designed my robot to travel 1 metre, and it's called Barry's Yacht.
Right, let's go then. Well done, well done. I have to admit,
Hi, this is Theo from Whiteley Robot Club, and today we've used a robot to make it move 1 metre without using wheels, but the wheels on mine are just for support.
right, let's go then. What's it called?
Program.
Right. Well done, well done.
My name is Owen from Whiteley Robot Club, and I've programmed this robot who is called Long-Legged Larry, or Larry for short, to travel across this tape to that tape.
Right, let's go then. That is very clever, very clever. Well done to you, well done.
Hi, my name's Johanna from Whiteley Robot Club, and today I programmed Tiger to go across.
And you built it without any wheels?
Nope.
Right, let's go. Well done, Theo. Well done. Excellent. And who's this?
Hello, my name is Thomas from Whiteley Robot Club, and we made robots without wheels, and we got to customise them.
Let's go. Well done, Thomas. Well done.
Hello, my name is Thomas from Whiteley Robot Club, and today I've made this robot do a race.
Right, let's go. What's it called?
The Zigatron.
Zigatron. Let's go. That's great. Well done, Thomas. Well done.
Whiteley Robot Club, and we've designed our robots to do a 1 metre race without wheels. 3, 2, 1, go.